Hello friends, it's Danny here of Danny's Dreams, and today I am super excited to be participating in a little collab using all of the subscription products from Not Too Shabby for the month of June 2022. A bunch of the Not Too Shabby friends and I are just having fun creating some summer projects with the box of the month, the stamp and die of the month, and the paper pad club of the month. In the description box below will be a hashtag. Just click on that and that'll take you to everyone that is participating, and you won't want to miss it because these ladies are creative and I can't wait to see what they create. So in front of you is the pile of all the things. I used most of them. I didn't get quite as many projects done as I had planned, but that's okay. I'd used several different This Calls for Confetti. We all know that I love This Calls for Confetti. These two were purchased separately. One of them came with the box of the month, and I was lucky enough to grab the other one before it sold out. Many of these things are sold out, but you can always head on over and subscribe so that you are guaranteed to get them for like the upcoming months. Each box seems to be getting better and better. The stamp and dies are adorable. The paper pads are fabulous. I just get it all. So for the box of the month, it came with these two paper pads, the ephemera, and then these three stamp sets. So I used I used two of the stamp sets, and I did use both of the paper pads, and I did use some of the ephemera. I didn't get around to the cute bear, but I hope to be using him some other time. The paper pads were very patriotic. I didn't use this one, but I did use this one, the Cue the Sparklers. I didn't use the patriotic inks, but they are gorgeous, gorgeous papers. And then the stamp and die is just plain old adorable, and I did use that. So on to my creations that I created for this little collab. I really had a lot of fun. I did do all cards. I was going to be really creative and do some other things, but I just did not have time. So first up, I did use that, let me find it here, the Be Happy, I believe it's, yeah, Be Happy stamp set, along with the Honey Bear paper. And I just colored this with Copics, put some stickles on the bee's wings, and used some of that This Calls Confetti as little accent there, and just did that on the inside. So super easy, super cute, but I love how that sunflower, or that flower, and that bee stands out. Next up, I used the sketch of the month for Not Too Shabby. Still have a little bit of time to enter, and I have to say, when I first saw the sketch, I thought it was a neat sketch, but I really, really like it once you start using it, and I actually used it twice for my creations. So definitely, if you have time, play along with it because it's a very fun sketch. This uses the stamp and die of the month, those critter pops. I'm sorry, trying to grab them. And I use that bunny rabbit one because I just think that that is beyond adorable. And this is that Honey Bear paper. I put everything to the side and so I could grab it easily, and I am not being able to grab it easily. I apologize for that. And now I have an avalanche. Yeah, Honey Bear. Colored with Copics and some Prismacolor pencils on top. That glossy black, This Calls for Confetti. Super neat. And then I just did some banners on the inside. Really, really like how that one turned out. Next up, I used the ephemera and that other paper pad, Sunflower Bees. And I tried, I believe it's Letty from, let's see here, Party Paper or Party Planner Papery. She does glossy accents on her ephemera. So I tried it. I was not patient. I touched it. It was a mess. But in the end, I got it on the card, and it is super shiny, and it really does add that special touch to it. I just need to get a better area to put it to dry where it's out of cat's reach and away from me as well. And then I just add banners on the inside as well. And then for my last card, I used that sketch again. I used the paper pad club, which one was that? Cue the Sparklers? Yeah, Cue the Sparklers. And then one of the gnomes from one of the stamp sets from the box of the month called, what was it? Honeybee Kisses. And just colored her up and added this calls for confetti on there. And it's busy, but I really like how it turned out. And then again, the banner on the inside, and I did use some of that paper to kind of mat it. So I really like, I had so much fun using all these creations, as I do every month, using all these products. It is one of those days. Words are hard. So those are the 4 cards that I made for this little collab using Not Too Shabby products. Like I said, everything is in the description box below. Things that are still available, I will link to. Click the hashtag so you can hop around and see everyone else's creations, because I know they'll be fabulous. And until my next video, I hope you have an amazing day. Thanks for stopping by.